a great time. Very nice, guys. Good work. Almost there, guys.
Awesome.
Great. Excellent, as always. Yes. Is this the first hammer of the day?
I believe so.
Navarre, first hammer of the day. Outstanding work, dude. Awesome. Great striking, Grant.
Fantastic striker. He has everything ready for me.
Yeah.
Passes me the drift.
Brilliant, brilliant. That came out beautiful, Navarre. Great work.
Thank you, Alec.
That thing is clean. Beautiful work.
They're all together.
So I think that was pretty successful.
Thanks so much. It's been
So much fun.
It's been a pleasure.
It's been amazing.
Thanks, man.
I'm so glad you came over.
Awesome. Navarre, it's been an enormous pleasure.
Thank you so much, Alec.
Enormous pleasure.
Pleasure was ours.
You guys need to go and check out his stuff. NVD Blacksmithing.
NVD Blacksmithing.
NVD Blacksmithing.
Facebook. Facebook and Instagram.
It's Been awesome. Thank you so much for coming, Mike.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Grant.
You, mate.
Been
Thank
an
you.
enormous pleasure. Thank you so much for
Fantastic.
coming.